In this video, I'll show you how to file 1099s in QuickBooks. First, log into QuickBooks Online and open the company you want to use. Next, go to Expenses and select Vendors. Then choose 1099 Filings or Prepare 1099s, depending on your QuickBooks version. Now review the company information and make sure your business details are correct. After that, review your vendors and identify which contractors may need a 1099. Make sure each vendor has the correct tax information, including their tax ID and address. Next, review the payments QuickBooks has included for each vendor and make sure they are categorized correctly. Now, select the vendors who need a 1099 and review the payment totals. After that, choose the filing method available in QuickBooks and follow the prompts to submit the forms electronically. QuickBooks will guide you through the required information and may charge a filing fee depending on your plan or filing option. Next, carefully review the 1099 information before submitting it. Once everything is correct, authorize the filing and submit the forms through QuickBooks. Finally, check the filing status in QuickBooks and keep a copy of the submitted forms for your records. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to file 1099s in QuickBooks. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.